I created this AI influencer in 2 minutes. Here's how I did it. Images with unmatched control. Generate images just the way you want. Face mastery, pose perfection in seconds. Try now, RenderNet.ai. Getting started. 1. Go to RenderNet.ai. 2. Create an account for free. Go to Studio. Select Model. Write the prompt. Click Generate and wait for the magic. Prompt: front view portrait of brunette woman, wavy brown hair, masterpiece, coffee shop, dusk hour, high quality 8K. Another example with the same prompt. Now I am going to use the face lock feature. Prompt: a brunette woman with wavy brown hair posing for a photo at the Pyramid of Giza, smiling. Prompt: brunette woman with wavy brown hair wearing fashionable clothes, posing on a city street, smiling. Face lock equals control is face. ControlNet equals control the pose. The best part is when you combine them both. Example number 1. Check out these examples of Face Lock plus ControlNet featured. Example number 2. Example number 3. Example number 4. You can also add realism to your photos. Select a photo. Click on True Touch option. Tune according to your need. Click Generate. Create your AI influencer now with RenderNet.ai. If you found this video helpful, please follow for more like this. Thanks for watching.